I'm not saying the Earth is flat, I'm just saying I don't fucking trust NASA. What is popping, YouTube? It's been a minute. So, this video is going to cover a couple of topics. A couple of things that I have on my mind relating to the whole like flat earth thing. First thing I'm going to talk about is I'm just curious as to why people get so defensive about this topic. Like, I don't know if I've already talked about this before, but I first learned about like the whole flat earth debate. Well, I mean, like, obviously, like, they taught us in school to fucking program us into being really defensive about this topic, but so I first heard of like people like actually being serious about the earth being flat about a year and a half ago, and at first I like just dismissed it and like it was just like, oh, okay, like that's so stupid, like people seriously think the earth is flat, like. But then I just decided to watch a documentary about it, and I realized that, you know, there's actually a huge possibility that the earth could be flat, and that it's very possible that NASA lies to us. NASA translates to deceive in Hebrew, for those of you who didn't know. And yeah, I just think, like, I'm labeled as like a flat earther, and people get really defensive about this topic, and I just like don't really understand like why people are so quick to dismiss this as a possibility. I want to talk about it more just so that people aren't so quick just to be like, oh, well, Corinne thinks the earth is flat. We've been deceived in so many other ways. Even if NASA hasn't deceived us, MK Ultra mind control, our government performed that experiment. So why are you trusting our government? Why? Oh, okay, I'm talking about some things about the moon landing that I just think are like some of the reasons why I think it's fake, besides the fact that like I just don't even fucking trust NASA. So the spotlight effect, if you look at pictures from the moon landing and you play around with brightness, like it'll accentuate that one of the astronauts was standing in a circle of light. And more than one picture you can see like a ring of light that's not the sun, and it's just like, where'd that light come from? And you also don't see any stars in the pictures. The flag was waving in one of the pictures, why, I don't know. And then you can also see shadows from multiple light sources in some of the photos. So yeah, I think the sun and the moon are in our atmosphere. I don't think the sun and the moon are as far away as we are being told. I don't really have proof for that, that's just like how I feel. I just don't think that it really makes sense for the temperature to be so drastic of a change between night and day if the sun is as far away as we're being told it is. The way I see it is, I heard this theory that like space is liquid dark matter, and I'm like, yo, that makes so much sense to me, that we're like kind of enclosed. Okay, I'm not saying the earth is flat, I'm just saying it could be a fucking lie that we're on a globe. Like this whole, like, it all could be a fucking lie is what I'm saying. I'm not saying the earth is flat, I'm just saying I don't fucking trust NASA, and I don't want people to be so quick to not investigate something just because you were told. Okay, government regulated classes told us that people thought the earth is flat back in the day. Christopher Columbus went fucking killed a bunch of fucking Native Americans to prove the earth is round. So our government regulated classes are the ones that like taught us about space and everything. And yeah, frankly, I just don't trust our fucking government. I don't trust a government that would willingly fucking kidnap people and do trauma-based mind control just so they can get any information out of any person that they fucking want for whatever fucking reason it is, for good or for bad. I think that it's a possibility that our fucking atmosphere is enclosing us and keeping us safe from all the dark matter. I don't know, man, that makes some sense to me. I don't really know. I just think it's something that, like, why shouldn't we question the fucking place that we're living on? Like, this is our home. Why do people get so offended from just saying the earth is flat? That's basically what I wanted to talk about. I don't even know if this video is making sense or not, but haters can suck my dick, think I'm fucking stupid, uneducated, fucking crazy. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I'm an Aquarius, okay? My sun is an Aquarius. My moon is in Capricorn and my rising sign is Virgo, for those of you who are wondering. It's been admitted that our school systems were designed to make us docile and submissive and just fucking listen to what we're told and do what the fuck we're supposed to do. Like, I guess that's all I'm gonna say because I probably just sound like a fucking psycho rambling. Thank you for checking out my video.